Hello and welcome to my final Java certification video. As you can see here, I can click Claim Certificate and here is my Java certification. I am all done taking the course at Sololearn. I have already downloaded the PNG and the PDF and uploaded them to my Google Drive. So yeah, my complete Java certification. This video, I'm showing you that here we can see my engineering notebook is complete. All the notes, all the code projects I worked on are there. And yeah, this is everything I learned as I journeyed to becoming a certified Java developer. Um, yeah, so this is it. Something else I did for this video is I wanted to show off what I learned. So I made this program from scratch, and it looks a little bit small, but it's got a lot going on inside of it. So this program I have titled the letter calculator. So what it does is it takes the letters of from whatever you input into the program. So you can input your name, and it'll take those letters and give them corresponding numbers. So like A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and so on and so forth till Z is 26. So it'll add up all the letters and like say you type in your name, it'll add up all the letters in your name and give you a number. And something else the program does is it rearranges the letters of that you put in into alphabetical order. So if you type ZWX, it'll rearrange it to WXZ, and it'll give you the number. So if I run the program right now, I'll type in my own name, click submit, and we can see that the program changes it to EKLU, which is pretty cool. And then it gives me that my name equals 49. So let's go a little bit more in depth on what this program is like. As we can see here at the top, we have our public class program. And we also have this import, which is useful for having this right here. This is a hash map variable, which is its own crazy thing, which is like it's like an array almost, except it can store two different types of values, and one of the values is a key for getting the other value. So this hash map called alphabet stores the letter of the alphabet and what number it corresponds to. So like A and then 1. And so how we do this is we come into the main function and we have this scanner, which is basically for getting input. And then underneath, after we make the scanner, we have this function called create alphabet. And so down here, we can see I have this function right here where we have a string called the whole alphabet, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, blah, blah, blah. And then we have a string array called the alpha array, which equals the whole alphabet, but it's split into each individual letters. And that's what this little dot split thing does right here. And then we have a for loop assigning each letter of the alphabet into this alphabet hash map. And so after we create the alphabet, we get the input and we store it in this input variable. And then we make another string array called input array, which basically turns that input into these separate letters. And then we make an array list of type string, which we call input list. And then we have a number value for printing out the final value. And then so here we have for each letter in the input array. As we can see, we have each letter in this input array. We put that letter into the input list, and we put that number into the final number. And then we sort this collections.sort function is really cool in my opinion. That's why I added this little feature. That's all this function does, is it sorts the input lists to the alphabetical order of the letters. And then we print that input list and we print the number. And that is how my program works. It works with anything. We can type just random letters and it'll add those up and sort them out. We can even do capitals and lower cases all at the same time, and it'll all work because I do specifically make sure to set to lowercase. All right, that is the final video for my Java certification. Thank you so much for watching and watching my journey through getting this certification.